back to Dancing with Gali. I'm Gali and today we're diving into the essential salsa turns every beginner needs to master first. I know mastering salsa turns can be a big challenge and you can feel overwhelmed by the complexity of the turns, but don't worry, we will break down each turn into simple steps, making them easy and fun to learn. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's dive into the first turn. So for this turn, we're gonna start with our right leg going forward. So let's do the basic first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're gonna continue the motion of your leg that is going forward, which means 1, you twist, you lift your leg, and you close. Yes? And then the next part is to go back. So back and close. By the tempo number 3, you need to face again forward. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Forward, back, and you do 1, 2, 3, and back and close. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, and back and close. That's it. If you still don't know or you don't feel comfortable with your basics, you can go to a video that I have where I teach the 5 basic steps you need to know to start learning. I will leave you the link in the description box. Now let's do it with your left leg. Now we're gonna go to that side because remember we're gonna continue the motion. So we go 1, 2, 3, and the next leg that is going back, we go back and close. Let's change angles. Go forward. 1, then you twist, 2, and then you close. Then you go back. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Left and back. Turn. 1, 2, 3, and back and close. Done? Perfect. Now for this second turn, we're not gonna continue the motion, we're gonna stop and we're gonna come back. If you notice, I'm not saying right turn, left turn, because I'm teaching you both sides, and it will change depending on if you're following or leading, or also sometimes depending on which kind of salsa you're doing, okay? What I'm teaching you is the sensation and the motion, the dynamic of the turn. So this way you will be able to do everything anytime you want. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more dance tutorials. So, as I was saying, you're gonna go forward. Let's start again with your right leg. We're gonna go forward, and in this case, instead of continue this motion, you're gonna stop here, and then you're gonna come back. You're gonna put your leg here, second step, 2, and you're gonna come back. I am opening my body, not the wide of my legs. Okay, so you go 1, just top and you come back. Now you're just gonna go back, you're gonna pivot, and you're gonna close. This way. So with your right, 1, 2, 3, 1, turn, close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4, remember, is always like a pause. So you keep turning your body until you're facing forward in the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? You got it? Now let's do the other leg. Okay, so we're gonna start with your left leg going forward. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, you always come back to your basic again. One more time. Remember, you stop, you turn, you pivot, and close. You got it? Perfect. Now that you have learned both turns, let's practice with music. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. Music, please. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Forward basic. Back. Turn. 2, 3. Second. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Turn that way. 1, 2, 3. Back. Continue the motion. Turn. Now, stop and come back. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. And 1, 2. Open. 1, 2, 3. Turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Stop. How was it? It was hard? It was easy? If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments. Remember, practice makes perfect, so practice this video as many times as you need until this turns feel natural. Please like and subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thanks for dancing with me. See you in the next one.